There's a liquid that costs less than $1 that can restore a foggy double-pane window to crystal clear transparency in under 30 minutes. It does not require a professional. It does not require removing the window from the frame. And the window replacement industry has spent decades making sure you never learn how to use it. The average American home is now 44 years old, according to the Harvard Joint Center for Housing Studies. Double-pane windows last 15 to 25 years before the rubber seal between the glass panels begins to fail. Do the math. Millions of homes across America right now have windows that look like frosted shower doors, a milky white haze trapped between two panes of glass that no amount of scrubbing from the outside will ever remove, because the fog is not on the surface. It is sealed inside, between the glass, where your hands cannot reach. You spray glass cleaner on the outside and nothing changes. You wipe with newspaper, with vinegar, with every cleaning hack on the internet, and the fog stays exactly where it is. Because the moisture has penetrated a broken seal and condensed into mineral deposits that are literally etched between the panes, your view of the backyard disappears. Your living room looks dark and neglected. And the moment you call a window company, you hear the most profitable sentence in the entire home repair industry. Sorry, the seal is broken, you need a new window. $300 to $1,000 per window. 5 to 8 foggy windows in a typical older home means $2,500 to $8,000 to replace them all. And the truth? That a $3 bottle of rubbing alcohol and a $4 glass drill bit can fix every single one of those windows was buried before you were even born. This is the story of the $1 fog fix that a $33 billion industry prayed you would never find. Welcome to Forbidden Camping. If you're not subscribed yet, hit subscribe and the bell. This is where we dig up what the home repair industry buried. The modern double-pane window was not invented to save you money on energy bills. It was invented during the Second World War to solve a military problem. Aircraft engineers in Britain needed transparent panels that could withstand extreme pressure changes at high altitude without fogging or cracking. The solution was an insulated glass unit, 2 panes of glass separated by a sealed air gap that acted as a thermal buffer. After the war ended, building manufacturers realized this military technology could be adapted for residential construction. By the early 1950s, companies like Andersen and Thermopane were marketing sealed double-pane windows to American home builders as the future of home insulation. The concept was elegant. 2 sheets of glass with dehumidified air or inert argon gas sealed between them created a barrier that dramatically reduced heat transfer. The Department of Energy confirms that windows account for 25 to 30% of residential heating and cooling energy use. Double-pane windows cut that loss significantly compared to single-pane glass. By the 1970s, building codes across America began requiring insulated glass in new construction. The housing boom of that era produced millions of homes with factory-sealed double-pane windows. Those windows had a dirty secret. The rubber seal that held the 2 panes together was never designed to last forever. Ultraviolet radiation from the sun breaks down the sealant compound over time. Temperature cycling between freezing winters and scorching summers causes the glass to expand and contract thousands of times per year, slowly pulling the seal apart molecule by molecule. After 15 to 25 years, the seal fails. And the moment it does, humid outside air begins creeping into the space between the panes. Moisture condenses on the inner glass surfaces and evaporates again as temperatures shift, leaving behind mineral deposits that accumulate into that unmistakable cloudy white haze. The window industry knew this would happen from day one. They engineered products with a built-in expiration date and an extremely profitable replacement cycle. Now stop right here because this video is just the surface. I've collected everything the window industry does not want you to know, all inside the complete Forbidden Camping Vault. The Forbidden Firecraft Manual with techniques the military classified as dangerous, the Lost Rations Cookbook with preservation methods that work without refrigeration or electricity, the complete off-grid blueprint for building systems that eliminate your dependence on every utility company, the 72-hour blackout checklist that federal agencies recommend but never publicize, plus a dedicated window and home repair guide with every method covered in this video and 6 more the industry buried. Over 10 guides in one place, no fluff, straight to the point. The link is in the description. But stay right here because the video is just getting started. Let me show you exactly why this $1 fix terrifies a multi-billion-dollar industry. The Fenestration and Glazing Industry Alliance reported that remodeling and replacement window demand generates billions in annual revenue across North America alone. Andersen Corporation, just one manufacturer, pulls in $3.3 billion per year. The entire North American doors and windows market was valued at $64 billion in 2023. Professional window defogging services charge between $60 and $150 per window, according to Bob Vila. Full window replacement runs $300 to $800 per window when you factor in labor and installation, according to the same source. A typical American home has between 15 and 20 windows. If even 5 of those develop seal failure, you're looking at $1,500 to $4,000 minimum for professional defogging, or $2,000 to $6,000 for full replacement. Now here is the number that should make you furious. The actual materials needed to defog a single window yourself cost less than $1. A bottle of 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol costs about $3 and contains enough liquid to defog 20 or more windows. A glass and tile drill bit costs $4 to $5 and is reusable on every window in your house. A tube of clear silicone sealant costs $2 and seals dozens of drill holes. The total investment for materials to fix every foggy window in an entire house is under $10. Compare that to the $4,000 quote the window company handed you. The price difference is not a markup. It is an industry that depends on your ignorance to survive. A study from the Federal Reserve Bank of Philadelphia found that structural repair costs for American homes grew by 14.1% in real terms between 2022 and 2024 alone. Plumbing repair costs jumped 23.6% in the same period. The home repair industry is not just expensive. It is getting more expensive, faster than almost any other sector of the American economy. And foggy windows sit at the perfect intersection of cosmetic embarrassment and perceived complexity that keeps homeowners writing enormous checks. If you have made it this far, you already know more about foggy window repair than 99% of homeowners in America. Subscribe and share this with every homeowner you know because they are about to save thousands. And remember, everything the industry buried is in the complete vault. Link in the description. Now stay with me, because what comes next is the part they really do not want you to hear. So why does almost nobody know about this fix? Why do millions of Americans stare through cloudy glass every single day and assume there is nothing they can do about it? Because the window replacement industry generates over $12 billion per year in the United States alone. That number comes from verified market research, and it only counts replacement and installation, not new construction. Andersen, Pella, Marvin, and Geld, when collectively dominate the market with billions in combined annual revenue, every single one of these companies trains their dealer networks and retail partners to deliver the same message when a homeowner asks about foggy glass. The seal is broken, you need a new window. Not you need a $3 repair. Not here is a 15-minute fix you can do this Saturday. You need a new window. Visit the website of any major window manufacturer right now. Search for defogging or foggy window repair on Andersen's site. Search for it on Pella's site or Marvin's site. You will find nothing. 0 results. Every page about foggy windows redirects you to their replacement window catalog. The information is not hidden because it does not work. The information is hidden because it works too well. You cannot patent rubbing alcohol. You cannot patent a $4 drill bit. You cannot create a subscription model around a homeowner who fixes their own windows for less than $1 each. And you absolutely cannot generate recurring revenue from a repair that takes 15 minutes and lasts years. The entire economic model of the window replacement industry depends on one belief, that a broken seal means a dead window. That belief is the most profitable lie in home maintenance. And this $1 liquid is everything that lie was designed to protect you from discovering. Now let me show you exactly how to do this, because once you see it, you will never pay for window replacement again. Step 1, confirm the fog is between the panes and not on the surface. Take a clean cloth and wipe both the inside and outside of the glass. If the haze does not move, it is trapped between the 2 panes and the seal has failed. Step 2, get a glass and tile drill bit, 3 to 4 millimeters in diameter, available at any hardware store for under $5. This is a spear point bit specifically designed to cut through glass without cracking it. Step 3, place a strip of painter's tape on the outer pane of glass near the bottom corner. The tape prevents the drill bit from wandering across the smooth surface. Using a standard cordless drill on low speed, drill one small hole through the outer pane only. Keep a spray bottle of water handy and mist the drilling point continuously to keep the glass cool and prevent cracking. The hole takes about 60 to 90 seconds to complete. Step 4, drill a second hole near the top corner of the same outer pane using the exact same method. You now have 2 micro holes, one at the bottom and one at the top, that create a pathway into the space between the glass. Step 5. Fill a squeeze bottle or large syringe with a 50-50 mixture of 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol and white distilled vinegar. Insert the tip into the top hole and gently squeeze the solution into the space between the panes. Watch through the glass as the liquid floods the interior cavity and begins dissolving the mineral deposits and moisture trapped inside. The cloudy white haze starts breaking apart in front of your eyes. The solution drains out of the bottom hole, carrying dissolved minerals and moisture with it. Step 6. Repeat the rinse 2 to 3 times until the liquid draining from the bottom hole runs completely clear. Each rinse takes about 2 minutes. Step 7. Dry the interior cavity thoroughly. Attach a hairdryer set to cool air and direct it into the top hole for 30 to 60 minutes. Alternatively, on a dry, sunny day, leave the window open to air for 24 to 48 hours. The goal is to remove every trace of moisture from between the panes before sealing. Step 8. This step is optional but highly recommended. Insert a small sachet of silica gel desiccant through one of the drill holes before sealing. These tiny moisture-absorbing packets cost pennies and will continue pulling humidity out of the air between the panes for years. This dramatically extends the life of your repair. Step 9. Seal both drill holes with a bead of high-performance clear silicone caulk. Smooth the silicone with a wet fingertip for a clean, invisible finish. The holes are so small that once sealed, they are virtually undetectable. The result is a window that looks like it was installed yesterday. Crystal clear glass with an unobstructed view of your yard, your trees, your neighborhood, restored for less than $1. Now, I need to be honest with you about something because credibility matters more than hype. This repair does not restore the original factory seal. The insulated gas fill, whether argon or krypton, that was originally sealed between the panes is gone, and this method does not replace it. That means your window loses a small fraction of its original insulating value. However, research from the building science community shows that the difference in energy efficiency between a sealed double pane and a defogged double pane is marginal compared to the massive cost difference. The actual thermal performance gap is small, and it is certainly not worth $300 to $1,000 per window to close. Without desiccant, the repair typically lasts 1 to 3 years before fog may gradually return. With desiccant, 3 to 5 years or more is common. Even in the worst case scenario, redoing the repair every 2 years costs you $1 per window per cycle. Over 10 years, that is $5 total per window. Compared to the $500 to $1,000 replacement the industry wants you to buy. You decide which math makes more sense. This knowledge did not disappear because it failed. It disappeared because it worked. Every foggy window you fix yourself is one less sale for a $33 billion global industry. Every neighbor you teach this method to is one less customer walking into a showroom ready to write a $4,000 check. The window companies know the fog is not permanent. They know a dollar's worth of rubbing alcohol can dissolve it. They know a $4 drill bit can reach it. And they know that the moment this information reaches enough homeowners, the most profitable upsell in home repair history loses its power forever. The glass did not forget how to be clear. It was waiting for someone to drill 2 tiny holes and let the light back in. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe and share it with every homeowner you know. Every share preserves what the industry tried to bury. Every window you fix yourself is an act of resistance against a system that profits from your ignorance. The next vault opens soon, and what is inside is even heavier.